Hello everyone, I am Mrudula and today's topic is the introduction to medical coding. So let's start with the definition of medical coding. So medical coding is the conversion of any medical condition into the alphanumerical forms. Mainly it includes the surgical processes, non-surgical process or any disease that is coded in the medical coding. There are mainly three types of coding systems used. First one is the ICD-10-CM, then second is the CPT, and third is the SCPCS. ICD-10-CM means International Classification Diseases 10th clinical modification. It is used to code the disease. Then second is the CPT, which means the current procedure terminology, and it is used to code the procedure or any surgical method. Then third is the SCPCS, which means Healthcare Common Procedure coding system, which is used to code the surgical procedures and the medical devices. The terms that we use in medical science are called as medical terminology. So these medical terms are broken down into three parts, that is prefix, word root and suffix. So first we see the word root. So word root is the middle word which gives the basic meaning or idea about the word, and it mainly related to the part of the body. Then second is the prefix, which means the beginning. It is the beginning part of the word that describes the meaning of that describes the root word, and it mainly includes the number, amount, color, intensity, time, size and the location. And the third is the suffix. Suffix means the end, the word which comes at the end of the end of the medical terminology or after the word root. For example, ectomy, ISM and the EMEA. Importance of medical coding is the collection of general medical statistical data, then medical reimbursement, then hospital payment, quality review and the benchmarking measurement. Now we see the basic steps in the coding. So first is the review the health record, then identify the principal diagnosis and procedures to be coded, identify the main terms in alphabetical index, then review any subterms under the main terms in the index, then follow any cross-reference instructions such as see also, verify in the tabular list and the code selected from the index, then refer to any instructional notation in the tabular column, assign codes to the highest level of specificity, and then assign codes to the diagnosis and procedures, reporting all applicable codes and sequences in according to guidelines. Now we see the skills required for the medical coder. So the skills required for the medical coder are the attention to detail, then medical terminology, then knowledge of coding system, then analytical skills, communication skills, then knowledge of insurance policies. These skills are required for the medical coder. Medical coding is one of the most important aspects of the healthcare industry. It is responsible for translating patient information into a universal language that can be understood by insurance companies and other medical professionals. This information is used to generate bills and track payments. In recent years, medical coding has become even more important due to the Affordable Care Act. As healthcare reforms to take effect, medical coders will play an even more vital role in the future of healthcare. One of the most important aspects of medical coding is ensuring that patients receive the correct diagnosis. This can often be a challenge as many medical conditions have similar symptoms. Medical coders must be able to correctly interpret a physician's notes and assign the correct code to the condition. They must also be aware of any changes in coding conventions, as this can often change on a yearly basis. In addition to being responsible for billing and payments, medical coders also play an important role in research. Many times researchers will use data from patient record to study trends in disease and treatment.